hydraulic fracturing, or fracking. The term has become more widely known and refers to the process of drilling a well and injecting fluid into the ground in order to fracture shale rock to release natural gas and oil inside. But one key component in this process is becoming more precious every day.
The idea of how they frack is the same whether it's natural gas or oil. And in order to make that work, you have to have water.
Water, mixed with small amounts of sand and other additives, is injected at high pressure into formations to create these fractures. And as Jimmy Davis attests, it takes more than just a few gallons.
We're using around 16,000 barrels a day.
For a long time, the water used in fracking would become worthless when the process was over, and wasting this dwindling resource always caused controversy. But now, thanks to new patented technology combined with an old method known as electrocoagulation, a large portion of fracking water can be recycled and reused. Wes Williams, president of Water Rescue Services, explains the process.
We take flowback and produced water, water that they would normally throw away, go to an SWD or what they call a saltwater disposal well. We take that water and we process it through our patented system, and instead of throwing the water away, they can reuse the water, so it saves hundreds of millions of gallons of water over time that would normally just be thrown away.
Fasken Oil and Ranch has been in the oil industry for over 60 years, and they're currently one of Water Rescue Services' clients. Like many people in Texas, Jimmy Davis has seen water become a scarce commodity.
It's becoming nearly liquid gold. It's precious. Again, out here in West Texas, we're in a drought, and it's hard to come by. On this ranch that we're on, that we own, we don't have a lot of fresh water. And so we're trying to do everything we can do to preserve that fresh water.
Now, with the help of Water Rescue Services, Fasken Oil and Ranch has drastically reduced the amount of fresh water they use in fracking.
That's taken up about 60% of our water needs with the recycled water. We have another 30% that we're using brackish water to frack with, and we're down to only using 10% fresh water.
We're saving about 7.8 million gallons a month just on this one site. This was going down whole to be thrown away and never used again. Again, that's 5 minutes into our process, and that's what we finish with.
Williams says Water Rescue Services is not in the fracking business, but the goal is to help those in the industry minimize their environmental impact and water waste.
For every 100 trucks that would normally be on the road, tearing up the roads, with our process you only need 5 for every 100, because we're going to return about 95% of the water.
While the debate over the controversial issues of fracking remains a hot topic, it would seem most people agree saving water is a good idea. Angela Hamann, News Without the Blues.